Assalamualaikum. My name is Matir Biconacon. So for today, we are gonna answer the number 18 question, which is number of odd integers between 1000 and 8000, which have none of their digit is repeated. So A is 1014, B is 810, C is 690, and D is 1736. So first, what is the given? So given is the odd integers. So what is the odd integers? So odd is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So that is the odd numbers or the odd integers. Then so um, we are gonna write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So that is our given. So solution A is when our unit place or the hundred place or this digit is equal to 9 or the number 9. So we then the thousand place is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have 7 ways. Why we don't start 8 and 9? It is because it is between 1000 and 8000. So we cannot go over 8000 and 9000. So we hindi natin isali ito. Then our last two digit or the tens and ones, 10 and ones place is equal to 8 and 8 times 7. So why? So 8 times 7 is equal to 56 ways. So why 8? So 'di ba? Digit is not repeated. So the unit place natin is 9. So i-cross out natin yung 9 dito. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, which is our 10. So sa ones place natin is, 'di ba? Kinosot natin yung 8 because the 10 place is 8. So sa ones place naman is 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 ways. So i-times lang natin, which is ang equal niya is 56 ways. So in total, or the n, which is the number of ways sa pag unit place natin is 9, which is odd number, is 7 ways the thousand place times 10 and ones place. So 7 times 56 is equal to 392 ways. So unit place pa lang natin is 9. So what about 1, 3, 5, and 7? So letter B. So if unit place natin or the 100 place is equal to 1, 3, 5, and 7, which is equal to 4 ways. races. So, the 1,000 place naman natin is equal to, so dito, ang 1,000 place natin is 7 ways. So, dito, which is not repeated, ibig sabihin, i-cross out natin yung 7 if yung ang 1,000 place natin is napili natin is 7. So, ang matitira na lang is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, which is 6 ways. So, sa tens or the last 2 digit natin is 10 and ones place natin is equal to ganun din, 8 times 7 din. Kasi, ang kinos out lang natin dito is 8 and 9 because meron na nga tayong 1,000 place which is 6 races. So, we have 8 which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Diba dito is i-cross out natin yung 1. Dito sa unit is 1. So, i-cross out natin yung 1. So, meron tayong 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 which is 8. Then, sa next naman, sa ones place which is not repeated. So, i-cross out natin yung 1. Meron tayong 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 which is 7 ways. So, is equal to 8 times 7 is equal to 56 ways. So, n, which is the total ways if the unit place is 1, 3, 5, and 7, ita times lang natin sila, which is 4 times 6 times 56, which is equal to 1,344 ways. So, the total n natin or the number of ways of odd integers, number of odd integers is equal to itong 134 ways and the 392 ways is pag-a-add lang natin. So, 392 plus 1,344 which is equal to 1,736 ways. So, that is our answer. So, the final answer is letter D, which is 1,736. So, that's all. Thank you.